What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a spin gather in NBA 2K26. Now this move works best for guards, but honestly it's a great move for anyone to know, even forwards. It can really catch your opponent off guard because most players don't expect it and it's actually super easy to pull off. So here's how you can do it. You can perform a spin gather in a couple of ways, but I'll show you the easiest method. While you are moving with the ball, hold down the turbo button if you want, but this part is optional, and then tap the square button once and on the second press hold square on PlayStation, or tap X once and on the second press hold X on Xbox. That's it. Tap, then hold on the second press and your player will go into a spin gather motion. Hold the button on the second press to control the finish smoothly. It's that simple and it looks really clean in game too. So yeah, try it out and see how it works for you. Let me know in the comments if you will be using this move, and if you found this video helpful then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.